How to optimize your website for speed on Hostinger. As a website owner, having a fast website is crucial for providing a great user experience and improving your search engine rankings. A slow website can lead to high bounce rates, decreased conversions, and a negative impact on your online business. In this video, we'll show you how to optimize your website for speed on Hostinger, a popular web hosting platform. To start, you need to check your website's speed using Hostinger's built-in speed test tool. This will give you an idea of your website's current loading time and identify areas for improvement. Next, you'll want to optimize your website's images by compressing them using tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim. This will reduce the file size of your images without compromising their quality. Another important aspect of website speed optimization is minifying and compressing your website's code. This involves removing unnecessary characters and whitespace from your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Hostinger offers a built-in code minifier that can help you achieve this. You should also consider enabling browser caching on your website. This allows visitors' browsers to cache frequently used resources, reducing the need for repeated requests to your server. Additionally, you can optimize your website's database by using a caching plugin like WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache. Finally, make sure to monitor your website's speed regularly using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Jeepmetrics. By following these tips, you can significantly improve your website's speed and provide a better experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials and tips.